Does your furry friend take over your bed every night? It's time to reclaim your space while giving them the comfort they deserve with the coldest, cozy dog bed. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description to buy now on Amazon.
Gina Carano said she was moved to tears after a judge ruled that her lawsuit against Disney can proceed, after the company tried to have it dismissed. The actress, 42, sued the mega entertainment brand for discrimination in February 2024, with the assistance of Elon Musk, over her 2021 firing from the Star Wars series Mandalorian. Carano had played Cara Dune for the first 2 seasons of the hit show, which streams on Disney. She was fired after she compared the treatment of Jews in Nazi Germany to conservatives in modern America in a social media post. On Wednesday, following the court ruling, she shared a lengthy Instagram statement, as well as a clip from her 2021 interview with the Daily Wire. "What happened to me was unacceptable, absurd, and abusive, among other things. It should not have happened to me, and it should not happen to anyone else moving forward. Let it stop here," she wrote. Carano started out her statement by quoting the court's ruling. "The court denies defendant's motion." She went on, "I am moved to tears. After a brutal 3.5 years, I am being given the opportunity to move forward in the court of law before the judge and my peers to clear my name. I am so grateful for this opportunity. I quite literally fought to get to where I got to in my career through intense ups and downs, and I'll keep up that fight to continue doing what I love. I appreciate all of you who stood by me and defended me, and I am so sorry that similar situations have happened to some of you. I want you to know that I see you and I stand with you." She also thanked the owner of X, formerly known as Twitter, Elon, who helped fund her lawsuit. "Thank you to Elon Musk, a man I have never even met, who so graciously gave me a fighting chance. Thank you for standing for justice for all of humanity. May God bless you and your family for years to come, because He has chosen you for such a time as this. Red Heart." Gina also shared a clip from her 2021 interview with Daily Wire's co-founder Ben Shapiro, 40, writing that she was at my lowest point at the time. "I was wounded and in so much pain, but I feel that pain lifting now. I pray for justice to shine through this case. It's been one heck of a life. I am looking forward to getting back to the art of storytelling and doing my part to help the world heal." She wrapped up her statement, "Thank you all. I'm sure it will be quite a battle ahead, but God's given me the ability to take some punches and give some back. My feet are on solid ground. Imagine what your voice can do." As per legal documents obtained by Deadline, California-based Judge Sherilyn Peace Garnett denied Disney's motion for dismissal. Defendants have not identified any evidence, in the complaint or otherwise, to substantiate a claim that they employ public-facing actors for the purpose of promoting the values of respect, decency, integrity, or inclusion, the ruling read. Accordingly, defendants' invocation of the supposedly detrimental effects of plaintiffs' mere presence as one of defendants' employees lacks constitutional import. At this stage in the litigation, the court cannot conclude, as defendants urge it to, that plaintiffs' continued employment by defendants would inhibit or intrude upon defendants' rights to expressive association. A date for the lawsuit has not yet been set. In April, Disney argued it had a First Amendment right to fire Gina after she posted tweets that were out of step with the trans rights movement, and an image the company claims was controversial as it pertained to the Holocaust. Carano sued the House of Mouse, claiming the company broke the law when it retaliated against her for expressing personal political beliefs. Attorneys for Disney filed a motion to dismiss the suit, arguing the company has a constitutional right not to associate its artistic expression with Carano's speech. The post, which originated from another account, appeared on Carano's story and read, "Jews were beaten in the streets, not by Nazi soldiers, but by their neighbors, even by children." In quotation marks the caption then reads, "Because history is edited, most people today don't realize that to get to the point where Nazi soldiers could easily round up thousands of Jews, the government first made their own neighbors hate them simply for being Jews. How is that any different from hating someone for their political views?